Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor or pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers, my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So my beautiful viewers, subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. So my beautiful viewers, I wanted to take a moment to tell you about my amazing YouTube channel Mother Fashion. If you are a fan of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, then you are in the right place. On Mother Fashion, I share my passion for fashion and beauty with you, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor or printing advice. My goal with Mother Fashion is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. I believe that fashion is for everyone, regardless of age, size or style, and I strive to make my content inclusive and relatable. So if you looking for a daily dose of fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell. I uploaded a new content every day, so you will never miss things. Thanks for watching and I will be see you in next video. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Melania's Trump. So my beautiful viewers, from her early days as a model to her time as a first lady, Melania's fashion journey is a must-see. And of course, we will also be discussing her highly publicized divorce from Donald Trump. So let's get started. Melania was born in Slovenia in 1970 and began her modeling career at just 16 years old. She quickly gained attention for her stunning looks and appeared on the covers of numerous fashion magazines. As a first lady, Melania's fashion choices were highly securitized. She often wore designer gowns and dresses and was particularly fond of Dolce & Gabbana. Her style was classic, elegant and sophisticated, a true reflection of her European heritage. In 2022, Melania and Donald Trump announced their divorce after 18 years of marriage. The split was highly publicized, with many speculating about her reason behind their separation. Despite the drama, Melania has continued to thrive, focusing on her own interests and philanthropic work. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care.